Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Journey. In this video, we'll discuss about what is the difference between Google Search Console and Google Analytics. In this previous video, we have discussed what is Google Analytics and what is Google Search Console. So in this video, we will discuss about what is the main difference between Google Search Console and the Google Analytics. So the Google Search Console and Analytics are both tools that provide data about a website performance, but they have different purpose and focus on different aspect of the website. So firstly, we have to categorize the difference on the basis of the purpose. Google Search Console focus on SEO and technical performance. Basically, the Google Search Console will mainly focus on the SEO and technical performance, while Google Analytics focus on the user behavior. In the Google Search Console, we have to mainly focus on the technical, how the page is indexing and number of the page index, number of page not index, how we can index the website. So on this basis, on the factors, the Google Search Console will work. In the case of the Google Analytics will work on the basis of the user behavior, how the user is interacting with your website, and how the number of the page, what is the user journey. So all the things we can done with the Google Analytics. The second is the data focus. Google Search Console provide data on search performance, indexing and technical issue. So basically the Google Search Console will provide data on the search performance, like how number of the impression we got from the Google, number of click we got from the Google, all the data we can track from the Google Search Console. And technical issue can be like 404 errors, crawled but not indexed, some kind of the issue we can track in the Google Search Console. While Google Analytics provide the data on the basis of user interaction, traffic source and conversion. Now the data type is there. Google Search Console provide historical insight into how a site has performed in the search result over time, while Google Analytics excel in providing real-time data. Basically, in the Google Search Console, we can track the data before 1 day, before 2 day, before 3 day. But in the Google Analytics, we can track the real-time data. Like in last 30 minutes, number of users come on our website, number of pages the users crawled the user have seen on our web pages, our website. So we can see that in the data type, the Google Search Console will focus on historical insight, and the Google Analytics will be providing the real-time data. Now the data retention is there. Google Search Console retain data for the 16 month, while the Google Analytics offer 2 month and 14 month of data retention in the free version. Now the click counting is there. Google Search Console count multiple click on a link with the same browsing sessions, while the Google Analytics only count 1 click per session. So you can use both tools together to gain a more comprehensive understanding of your website performance. You can integrate Google Search Console with Google Analytics to view search performance data alongside user behavior data in one place. So this is the main difference between the Google Analytics and the Google Search Console. In the Google Search Console, we can mainly focus on how our website is performing in terms of the technical part and in Google. But in the analytics part, we will mainly focus on what is the user behavior, how they interacting with the website, number of the pages visits. Google Analytics can provide the real-time data in the last 30 minutes, number of user visits, number of pages seen. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Have a nice day. Take care.